Alright, so today I'm at Pacific Beach Pier with Purpose First Beach Cleanups.
My name is Austin Fagan. I'm the co-founder of Purpose First.
My name is Gregor. I partner with Austin over here with Purpose First Beach Cleanups.
Just started doing beach cleanups as of this year, but we're just trying to use business as a tool of good in society.
We do beach cleanups on the first and third Saturday every month at Crystal Pier at 11 a.m. Today we're doing a collab with Blue Light Fires.
My name is Doch Ramirez. What we focus on is pretty much blue light bonfires. So instead of your typical wood burning bonfire that is traditional around this area, what my brother and I decided to do is kind of go the propane eco-conscious way. And we also dedicate each of our propane pits a 30 by 30 cleaning area.
What are these called?
These called, we don't have a name for them yet. I'll leave it up to you guys.
So we're stoked to just get back. Not trying to drive 10 Lamborghinis, I'm trying to help a million people. A big deal for us is community. Everybody wants to feel a part of something, and I think we need that as human beings. That's especially with what we've been in isolation and all that with the pandemic.
All of the beaches were actually closed for a good year, and we actually saw the physical change in the sand. It went from very polluted to very crisp, clean, like nature took over again. And in a matter of months, when everything opened back up, it got really bad again. And that's something that me and my eldest brother didn't really like. So as community members, we like to do our part.
Started out, we'd have anywhere from 5 to 10 people come out. We got sponsored by Water Bar.
And every third Saturday of the month we'll be with them doing a little brunch of mimosas after, so it's a pretty rewarding thing. It's fun.
We got sponsored by Santa Cruz Medicinals, and now we have anywhere from 50 to 100 people. We collect anywhere from 50 to 250 pounds of trash each time in just an hour. So now we're partnering with the city, gonna help clean these streets up.
Follow us at Blue Light Bonfires on Instagram and or follow us on our website as well.
You can find us on Purpose First Beach Cleanups on Instagram or our website at purposefirst.us.us.
Awesome. Cool, man.
Yeah.
Dude, appreciate it.
Hey, thank you, bro.
Dude, you're the
Big
man.
time, man.